Welcome! In front of me I have a HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to check for the firmware updates or the system updates on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the option called System and Updates, and tap on it, and here tap on Software Updates option. The watch will check for the available updates, and if you have any updates available, you will see here, and you will be able to tap on the update button. As you can see, I have the up to date version, so I can't update anything, but like I said before, if you had update available, you will be able to tap on the update button and start the update. One mention though, if you're gonna be updating your watch, I recommend to plug it to charger, because if the battery dies during the not charging but updating process, it might damage your watch. So if you plan on updating the watch, plug it to the charger just in case. Okay, and that's how you check for the software or firmware or system updates on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.